provides markers more automated way to handle entry and parking. With the integrated motion sensor with real-time parking action, this system improves accessibility and security while reducing human effort.
What's the system is the RTO the design of this project along with other components such as this ultrasonic sensor. It has the ultrasonic sensor that will detect a person critical nearby. We also have a servo motor, a servo motor for our door and for our front page to make it awesome and close on the front. Of course, we also have this parking LCD display for parking availability. We have jumpers wires and breadboard for another this unit is designed to the sensor detects a vehicle or a person. The Arduino will process the data and send signals to our sensor to grant access. So, dito po, gumagalap po siya sa sensor po na nasa kapag po may na-detect siya po, automatic po siyang mag-open and automatic po siyang mag-close kapag wala na po nag-detect na mo. And dito naman po sa car parking system namin, ganun din po sa sensor namin. Once na pinag-open po yung vehicle, mag-open po yung gate and lalabas po sa LCD ilang available slots po yung nasa loob and pwede pag-parking. And kapag po puno na siya, kapag may vehicle po gustong pumasok, once na nag-detect po, may lalabas po sa LCD ng parking po and dito po siya mag-open. And kapag po lumabas naman, pag po lumabas, lalabas din po sa LCD kung ilang available slots pag po pwedeng pumasok sa loob. Yung una pong nag-park po namin, ginamit po namin yung PIR sensor and hindi po siya gumana. So, nag-change po kami sa gamit yung
ultrasonic.
Tapos, mas okay po siya. And ang isa pa po yung aming strategy, yung pag-meet up po para po mag-ultra. Kasi po, madami po yun po. Tapos po, meron po mga members na hindi po natin sa mga so, ano po kami,
The smart door and parking system is step towards a more automated and user-friendly environment. We're reducing manual effort and improving efficiency. This technology enhances everyday experience. Thank you for your time and we would love to answer any questions.